For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C., ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio.
Right, yemo bibia ha Mfambra Okoman 97.1. Ebredu seyede agute mu nsemo yatu ni din Okoman Global Sports afternoon version no yede dwumedi ni nyina enso eba betan ene being the 22nd of December 2022. Nechesa kan nefu akakra na yede bosom ne afini nyina enso eba ne wi kakra obo ade enso adam agusukuta yanga edien betumi atwa afe no na bibia nso no etumi aye kama yeba betena si na ya gutemu ensem ana yeba behwe ensem ekoso ewo man konkro Ghana ebibrem ene Europe abrochimemu nsem ana ne yeba betena se ne yede ho ensem nyina ba begu yewia na abedwafo nso atena ase edi ho abobo apene poma sibre na ni nyina nso no ama dwumedie no etumi aye kama yenremu uremu a social media platforms no so dwumedie ni nyina enso etwegu enso elho live on Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 sanso na YouTube no Okoman Radio 971 uremu a na enewa like page no wetumi subscribe kama na bibia nso etumi aye fine enti yede nsem dodo na ana eba ene yeba behwe Bet Power Ghana Premier League match day 9 yewie match day 9 no and results awudu epie mu nyina ene endrada results epie mu Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko esi akan ne Brekum Chelsea ewo Babanyara Sports Stadium results etomu no yedri nyina enso ede eba Dreams FC esi akan Karela Mediama womu nyina enso etumi esi akan Achim Kotoku Royals timu no enye kra impenifo nhwe na wo mfa wo nan enso ensi from the only Eastern Region club enso ewa ha enioma nkonkwan kra enti wo nhwe na wo mo enhwe niama na bibia nso no enye kama any host of foreign stories yedi ni nyina enso ede yeba nefe yagebre na yenso yedimu empensemu kama na bibia nso etumi aye fine in no time yebeko na yakwakofa amanane nsem no foreign tidbit na yediaba ebre enhyeda niwo kra ebre enhyeda eniwo nti in the next 50 minutes yede sports ana no so yede eba executive producer Yenra Kofi Anson Bafo HOD Nana Kofi Okore Ajman AK ene pa soro paradise ajwa opoku etem uremu social media platforms no so a dwumedie nso etwegu live DJs Gibi ene John McFadden eboa ama dwumedie nso etumi etwa live egu yen social media platforms no so miginemu as your host Edma AK Krobia Asante ekasema duni asore so a obetumi nso afre na nso etumi akyerɛ wadwen na now o text message and WhatsApp messages no obetumi ade afa 0551 667755 0551 667755 and as 0270 191971 and as 0205 818 748 0205 818 748 ekasima junior sorry so a obefra balance wetumi akyerɛ adwane WhatsApp and o text message and also the power jebejebre ne yetumi nso no akenkan ediama yenkɔ yenkofa amanone nsɛm a yabɔbɔ no enso entumi emfa embra
el Chicharito ahí la tiene Torrado la juega por abajo el arquero sale la tiene Gio no hay arquero quién le pega Gio golazo poema de gol apago la luz y me voy golazo ¿qué me importa que me asesinen la garganta mientras se maten a goles? ¡Aso!
Mira Caleri para el gol. Palacio se la da y Caleri se va para el gol o Tevez, Caleri Tevez, no, Caleri, cántalo y de Rabona.
Amanone nsɛm anebredu say yede bebra Okoman Radio 97.1 o twene social media platforms no so adwumedie no so no etwegu live on Facebook 97.1 Okoman Radio and also across Facebook so no and also YouTube and some Okoman Radio 97.1 so say akase radio no ababeye audio visual and na ewutie no na sanso hwe na unya the clear vivid description of the stories yeti ni nyina enso ede eba yebepepre mu enso Europe ne yakakɔhwe matches audio pia etumi etodwa especially the English Football League Cup no matches audio pia na ndranso no etumi eto so na odremu a Leicester City enso etumi ehye MK Dons so no ekamiensa omo etumi ensimu age Newcastle United so no ehye kane ba kwa Bournemouth enso etumi ensimu age Southampton the City enso etumi ehye kane mienu ma Lincoln enso etumi etimu ba kwa na Wolverhampton Wanderers so no ewini by 2-1 against the teams we no nyina enso etumi a qualifier womo so ekakosi akan enso ewo the last round of the competition yeti ho sem no eba endra dance no games audio bi etumi eto Echo Echo. So Blackburn Rovers etena fie ama Nottingham Forest ekotwa by 4-1. Jesse Lingard no nyina etumi ehye ana Tauno awoni Nigerian born international ono so etumi ehye goal Charlton Athletic etumi etwa Brighton and Hove Albion meka ko a womo etumi ante na Manchester United Old Trafford no womo so etumi etwa Burnley by 2-1. Abrante Efreno Eriksen etumi eshego ana Marcus Rashford nso etumi eshego na game no enso eba na wie ye no ana openi a ono so eginemu edima Burnley eno Vincent Kompany formerly of Manchester City a ono so na nsenya ana otumi ebu na ketemu a ene wono so etumi aba ye coach hono mokopie mu Anderlecht ene wa return the English Championship ni mu a ono no kuta Burnley boboko no so no nsem kakra enso etumi etugwa efa game a endra womo elusi to 2-0 against Manchester United.
We didn't roll over. We knew on a couple of occasions, counters and stuff, Anthony, Rashford, there's enough players on that pitch to hurt you. But we didn't roll over. I thought we were aggressive. We were on the front foot. We created some really good chances. And look, we're in the Championship, so we're going to miss the odd chance. And we just got to look forward to our next game now, Birmingham, and that's the priority.
Ene ensema Vincent Kompany manager enso Edema Burnley enso etumi ede etuga after Sandra Manchester United etumi share on by 2-0 womo so EFL Cup no womo etumi yi womo firi wan ne o chese massa game no de womo eboy oya de yi pa ba team a womo Asia ye no Manchester United no enye team keto akra intendra womo elusi de ne mum lots of positives and ono so etumi esua ewo mu a ono so ede sansem no etuga Erik ten Hag manager enso Edema team a ye from Manchester United Erik ten Hag and Rada also to me Evini by 2-0. Yentin Sama opening so Eddie Etuga for game now.
Against a good team. I think they were good on the ball, but then it's difficult to get the press on. But I think we did. We had a lot of high ball regains. We had a lot of transition moments. I think we have to take more benefit of that. There's definitely there is a room for improvement. We have to work on that. But yeah, of course, I'm pleased with the win.
Eji ene ensema Erik ten Hag nso etumi edi etugwa ne big game nankasa baso big game Manchester City womo enso ene Liverpool ana ene ebo EFL Cup no big game pa eno so baso na game baso no ana Pep Guardiola enso manager de Manchester City ne yode nsemo etugwa se o players ni bia womo ekoko pie mu World Cup no ene obema womo arrest ene akanji no mu nyina obema players ni bi nso etumi arrest na womo so ekechire no mo na etumi astarte hono yentin sema opani friend Joseph Pep Guardiola enso edi etuga head of cruncher and also wamani Liverpool so ebo eneno.
I had the feeling that the players were in the World Cup, they are in better condition than the players that were here. That's for sure. So Sergio, Erling, Riyad, Cole, they are a little bit, the rhythm, they miss a little bit comparing that, for example, Manu, Akanji and Rodri and Jaime and Nathan, they come back, we saw them so good perfectly. That's normal. So they compete, they train every day, and we had holidays. So, but that's why tomorrow is important for the, from keep the rhythm and for the players who are not in the World Cup to gain the rhythm because.
Eyi ene ensema Joseph Pep Guardiola enso etumi ede etuga efa game a ene wo ne Liverpool so no ebo ewo ene Etihad anso hono mo a yete ho sem ni nyina eba enu mu na mpanifo esan bisa coach so pani wona Lionel Messi ebe Lionel Messi nyina ejina wo nanso odi abrante no ebu ejuma papa amanioma ekonkan and odi wetumi a chese Messi ni de on deserve even a World Cup to become the greatest of all time and nei openi no tumi efremu e Qatar akwaje World Cup no so far one session and so Lionel Andre Messi the performance and so ethering
his opinion, but nobody can doubt that he is there with the greatest all the time. For me, I said many times, I've been is the best, and will be difficult to understand a player can appear and compete what he has done in the last 50, 70 years, but the people who saw Pelé, for example, or Di Stefano, or Maradona, well, I don't know, I saw him, but the people can say my favorite, because also in this opinion there are sentimental, approach.
Eji enso ene ensema papa ye friend Joseph Pep Guardiola enso etumi ade tuga enso efa Lionel Andre Messi Pochettino ono so ne World Cup trophy awaka koje ene the greatest of all time abasokwadi ayede man no penini chese o Lionel Messi o deserve papa eni vi baby Maradona no mo ni nyina openi no etumi etwa ho a ode ho nsem ni nyina tuga na Liverpool wo mo enso ene Manchester City na AC aka na openi a ye friend Jurgen Klopp wentumi anko e press conference na se ne assistant ye friend Lendes ono no koko piemu ho no so no edensem kakra etuga efa game ene nwumre wo so ene Manchester City ebono ho
to experience in that way, and let me say it like this. And if one thing this World Cup has well proved is that you need your whole squad. The teams who became successful needed the full squad. To put this in context, what I'm just said is that when we play League Cup, it's always in a very busy schedule. We play Champions League, Premier League, and we know we have to be top to win these games in these competitions. We cannot rest players, or we cannot. And then the League Cup comes in a time frame where we play every 3 days, and the boys have to be on their top to win games. So it's a perfect moment to use the full squad. Now it's a different situation, of course, because we have a long time off. The boys come back from the World Cup.
Eyi ene ensema Lendes enso assistant manager etema Liverpool enso etumi ede etugo efa game a ene nwumre wo so ene Manchester City nso no etumi ebono yentintom na yenhwe other stories a enso ekoso enso ewo globe no so urhwemu ewo Senegal a wo manager Aliou Cisse ana nei mpanifo hwe ni mu urhwemu ewo wo federation ni mu a some of the officials no ehwe se enei openi no hwa bibia wedu na wa reach ne limit pass obeye Senegal wo national team manager no edu no eye inti ebi no mo susu se edubre a ewo so opani no won betumi abone na situ ana obeja ne djuma nso ato na ofoforo nso etumi aba beto so ebi nso kire se won monsa nso ema opani ni time na ofa yenko hwemu enso 2024 AFCON ebetumi ato akoso enso Ivory Coast no na nyoma entumi enkon kan ti se ohwemu ewo ene no officials of ene Senegal football ni mu a won nso dia in dilemma won fine won hu a won hu so opani no jempo ne na situ anase yema no entena eno so ne nsem kakra eno so yede to go remu e was Sevilla abrante friend no Isco Alacon enso e player okoko piemu enso e was Sevilla sama yimu a ano no openi ne free Real Madrid a okoko piemu e hontia eba ene ese ene officially Sevilla boboko ne tumi a confirm so openi no wo mo so etumi akọ into mutual agreement a ne contract no wo mo etumi a terminate into openi a friend no Isco Alacon enso okoko remu no half season kra wentumi ambo enso e was Sevilla ene no so contract termination no etumi ayejuma ordinary HB before fronti Isco enso eye free agent a ene ye breaky enso dama obibia Bayern Munchen onso ohria wo maso ya Salihanovic enso no eye director edema wo ne odin sema ba betu gasa branch a ye friend no Josko Vardiol si aka edema RB Leipzig onum se na nsen ye ncheye ana Matthijs de Ligt eba be piemu from Juventus enso e wo sama yimu entene wa ba be kan Lucas Hernandez ene Dayo Upamecano ho ana wo mko bi so openu no so wo mo de wo mu ni interest bia e wo Josko Vardiol di ni mu oye super player pa na mmum no sisi apa de wo hwe center backs a wo mo a ano odin pa ye intenya de Josko Vardiol enso ebetumi aba wo mo ehwehwe ne nsem a papa ye friend no Salihanovic enso etumi edi suga ye de ho nsem ni nyina eba Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro ende watachi down enso Saudi Arabia na okono obibia enim se eye ana se odi no ana ne openu no ekwa sign ana se den ensem eba ne die bebri report no eba so openu no etumi agree ebi nso so dabi enya ade okwa sign contract bia ne momope European team na no so etumi esia kan ti emre ene nkrabia ne betumi ache ne momo ne openu no etumi attach down enso ewo Saudi Arabia enyoma ni nyina enso etumi konkan ti yenhwe se de ne enyoma so ebetumi akọ ediama Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro ono so ni mover so betumi akọ ana so bebu evremu enso enya European team no eno so mbre ne nkrabia ne betumi achre abrante friend no Guillermo Ochoa enso ye player osi akan enso edema Mexico Netherlands team no anase Mexico team no oba be piemu enso ewo World Cup Qatar 2022 yas ye nyina ye hu ne modern ball a no so etumi abo ye nei 1 year contract ono so ba be piemu ewo ene Salernitana ewo the Italian Scudetto ni mu no so etumi aba be si akan until June 2023 anasa contract win so no ebetumi expire ntia nei openi no etumi attach down Italy oba be sign contract a year loan enso edama Salernitana na nyoma so etumi akonkan a ye de eto obi pia nso enum Diego Simeone ana ne yede kotu dwa so opani a ye frɛ no Joao Felix always bia no na o complain e tactics a opani ubo emwa abrante no kra ba abrante no so no talent sese no ne contract issue kra no ya banewe ya nsa ana ne opani dia ba betu so womo account on a branch friend no Joao Felix pa na o hwe nim se womo nso ebetuma ye nneoma bia ebetumi abo pani no na esiuti no na ono nso etumi edi agropa na womo ko pie mu world cup no no a ehu branch no so no ne modempo nti ho de problem bia enso enhyeda eniwo ne contract nso no enesi o no nso ahwe nim se womo betumi ne nakasa na wetumi astendi atena Atletico de Madrid eno so ene nsema Diego Pablo Simeone enso etumi ede atugwa yete ho nsem ni nyina enso ede e ba jogging o enso ye player Edema Chelsea ne odi ababe tuga so hwenim so besti e Chelsea ne contract e ba ne wie June yi mu a 2023 ana e ba ne wie ne momo hwenim se ne contract extension ono so ebetumi ne Chelsea etumi areche na ono so etumi atem enso e wo land na ne omo etumi akonkan enso edi amana yete ho nsem ni nyina enso edi eba ene uremu e wa Argentina encheye ana Lionel André Messi one ne contingent wo mo so etumi eboremu left World Cup no enso edema Argentina man no eya to akoso ama Argentina enso ewini wo mo third World Cup wo mo so ede echo na obekaya back in 1978 Abrana Argentina so no etumi ewini wo mo first ever World Cup no na wo mo sika wo mo di no kwen no wo mo de ene tournament ni nyina eyeye tournament no wo mo di bibia ye players ekoje wo mo de want to to kwen so ne adea ene de ye ni nyina Argentina 1978 ni nyina na de deska no so for the second time wo mo hwere mu 1986 wo mo je no enya adea wo mo tumi yes ade na mum wo mo ye nneoma bi ye de boa kru na ne players wo mo tumi kokoje ne dia eba ene se 2022 di wo mo hwe ni ba we de enya kwen no note ankasa note no so no wo mo hwe nim se won de Lionel André Messi ni tibeto so na fei 26 man squad wo mo kokko pie mu enso e wo kata no wo mo nso aye background no na wo nso edachi na Messi de wabaso kakra na ni wo man so etumi akonkan eyi nso ne ade a ene no Argentine government no e hwe nim se wo betumi aye nti we no se ebemu a ebetumi aye second time Argentina win World Cup ene wo mo de wo aye wo mo kwen anase wo mo note no sika wo mo di currency no wo mo nso e de sa contingent no etumi atoso a ye breaking so no e de ama etiefo na ma ni wo man so etumi akonkan ha na brema kwan ama ye de amona ne nsem a ye bobo anu ni nyina enso ebetumi ede esi na ye twa ye ho abaye ba na efe no yede Ghana Bet Power Premier League no ye the results a wodro na enso etumi ede aba.
This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own, let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. Every day, what dog can want, and EJ can want, the ratio more. Every day, what dog can want.
Right, Bet Power Premier League 2022-2023 season no enra ene no yegu so ayede eba no after World Cup no ene games ni nyina enso etumi atodwa match day 9 no results ni nyina etumi atodwa fiti adwada ni yede ni nyina enso ede aba endra ana matches a etwato no wo nso etumi ede ehihye so na se ne kodwie uwremu ewo Babanyara Sports Stadium a Krobia Imbetema Kumasi Asante Kotoko ehye ka ni mienu ama Abran Atima ye friend Brekum Chelsea enso etumi etimu bakon elho abrantia ye friend Mukwala enso etumi enya goal edima Kotoko ama nyoma etumi ekonkan a womo etumi enya victory no enso elho sanso ana remu a Achim Kotoku Royal sekopie mu elho Cape Coast elho ana womo bo wom home games ni nyina womo eso etina fie ama Lagos Cities enso ekotwa womo economy ensa womo entumi ensimu aje Kofi Koji enso ahye ne first goal of the season 9 matches wetumi ahye ne first goal enso elhono a wakwa pie mu ewo chan ehwenim se Black Galaxies ebeboa no nso akototo ntenana enso ewo Algeria na nneoma nso etumi akonkan Bechem United etina fie enso ne Tamale City ebo 0-0 sanso ana Karela United enso no ehye ka ne baakon ama Mediama nso etumi ehye baakon Bismarck Obi Mensa papa nendra no ni touchline ye ko bisa no so wa resign say the new man kopa de team no emboa no enti se so no so no atumi a resign ma bibia ye kama so endra wo mutumi ekonkoden enya a point nso e wo fie ma new man so no atumi ekonkan Dreams FC etena dew enso ye sheka ne mienu ama Kinfesa Babies Alhaji Karim Grusa wo mu so entumi ensimu age game no eba de wiye ana opani a ogina mu enso edema krobia metema kotoko coach Sedu Zebo enso de nanu disem kakra etuga se de ndra game no enso etumi koi e wo Baba Nyara Sport Stadium.
If you can see, we try our best and we have a lot of opportunities that we have to at least convert it to a goal, but it doesn't happen like that. And the way things are going, we need to make a changes. So when we brought in the Zeze boy, then everything changed. Then again in the halftime, we have to go and strategize. How are we going to come in the second half to, get a goal? And that is what happened. The best way is to win the game, and we have won. He played very, very well, but we need concentration from him in front of goal. He played so well, and we are happy with the performance he put on so far.
And someone coach I friend Zedu Sebo and so to me Eddie Etugo Kasan or French mu and the assistant coach I friend Wallington and so to me a church mu brofokase mu kama say and BPA to me a konkano chain mu say mukwala on also be to me take more of the chances are on also nyane to me abwa ama kotoko team no so no etumi aba ba ye krabehwe ne nsem ode etuga player oje man of the match na ne modern bonso no etumi ekonkan osanso enya goal no enso Steven Desi Mukwala ono so de nanu disem kakra enso etuga.
Basically, what I can say, I feel so delighted to score for my team. It has been teamwork, basically. Yeah, so each and every game we make sure that we have to win and give the win for the biggest team in Africa. Yeah, we came with a mentality of winning, so that's our target, and our coaches were emphasizing on the win. So we came in this game knowing that we have to win. That's how we had to make and put up a good fight. Yeah, basically, that's my ultimate goal for being a goal king and helping Kotoko win more trophies this season. Basically, this win we give it to our beloved fan who lost his eye last season. Yeah.
Yes, and Steven Desi Mukwala and basically sa anodini ne makoye sa ko bia minimum no like sa enti baby obeke bia basically baby obeke bia we no yen repeat you e new we na yabo ni nyina voices no a enye se ye repeat nti uti basically bia na ewum pepepe se de ono so e de HSA nei obeto akoso ahye goals no do na e de ama krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko na o ma hwenim se trophy ni so no wo mo ebetumi ewini coach a friend Christopher Enin ono anane ode kum Chelsea ko pimu ewo Baba Nyara nioma entumi ankonkan ono so de nan disem etumi etuga.
I have to go back to the board and work out things, but the performance is not what I'm expecting. Today we didn't play the real ball that I'm expecting my boys to play. Yeah, as you can see, it was balanced. When we came back from the second half, in a few minutes, the midfield was corrected because the midfield was collapsed. That is why they got the goal. They got the equalize. So I quickly tried to strengthen it, and it was working. But it's a minor mistake that I need to work on it. Yeah, that is a question that I'm going to ask myself because I don't know what was going on during his time with the national team because he just joined the team and it's not really the fear that I was expecting. So I think maybe personal issues or something, but that one is something I'm going to see to it and correct it.
Okay, into anone ensem so a enin Christopher enso etumi ede etuga so nyoma bebre ekọ chimpa nti okwi oka akohwe so obetumi aye ni nyina hyehye ne kama na wo next game no nso no wo mo etumi ewi ni ho say so far no after match day 9 say na league table no nso no esi etie Duana FC enso ekutamba no 19 points na wo mo ekuta okotoko etoso mienu 17 points glorious impressive Accra House of Folk enso etoso miensa 16 points ana bibie ni go start etoso 9 wo mo ekura 16 points ho Timon your friend Accra Lions etoso enum ana enewo mukura amba no so no 16 points na uremu ewa ase wa enese biribie si na team se betumi akọ relegation no say netie Kinfesa etoso do in 16 position 9 points and okuta Tamale City eso etoso do in song 17 position ono so ekura amba no en song 7 points ana Achem Kotoku Royals womo ekuta emano 9 4 points a womo nso ewe ewase wokra Jet ni nyina enso edi ebana Minister of Youth and Sports Honorable Mustafa Yusuf enso anandrada okoko piemu ewo parliament openi dia okoye ide yo ye beba be hwe sansem ni nyina openi koya osi o ye kono ye kase ye $8.1 million ana eko na ye de yakahwe adwuma nse bibia be konkan but ye nyoma yie ntino ye ba no eye $5.1 million per ana yetumi spend yi aka 3 million a eno so ye de yakahwe futuo mu enti yentie nsem a openi a ye freno Mustafa Yusuf Minister for Youth and Sports enso etumi ede etuga.
Prior to Ghana's participation to the World Cup, I informed this house that our estimated budget at the group stage was $8,166,200 United States dollars. Out of this estimated budget, Mr. Speaker, our total expenditure for the group stage participation amounted to $5,171,840 United States dollars. These expenditures covered appearance fee, per diem, flight arrangements, medicals, equipment, logistics, and hospitality. Management of resources, as well as the ministry's decision to negotiate on qualification bonus for the next round instead of paying winning bonus per match. What this means is that in spite of our Black Star defeating South Korea in our second group match, we did not pay any winning bonuses to that win. However, we would have paid qualification bonus to the team had they been able to progress from the group stage of the World Cup, regardless of the results of our matches, the group matches. Mr. Speaker, this measure we have adopted is aimed at motivating the team to go all out and progress from one stage of a competition.
And some Minister Mustafa Yusuf, and so to me, the Tuga Mustafa, we de accountability, we need accountability. Debbie. We do my papa. We any accountability. Enti no. Fans koi osanso di tuga say enei over 1,000 supporters ana wadi ko piemu enso e ho. Eno no nsema Mustafa Yusuf ekan. Over 1,000 into 1,000 nyina. It is vividly utumi mathematically sa 5.1 million asisia no eni ska mo spend no. E wo say yenhu nchichemu no. Se de koi pepe. But tra said the honorable yesrewo obeba biu enti eno so ene afisem kakra ye bobo ano a ni yede aba abadwafo atena se mema wo mo akwaba na yede nkomo twetwe no so no etumi ahyehye so o text message o WhatsApp message kasema dunu ya soro so a obetumi afre enso ade aba 0551 667755 0551 667755 and I say 0205 818 748 0205 818-748. WhatsApp message and no text message. Ekasima dunia sorry so obeba na nso waba be kire wadwen Honorable Mustafa Yusuf akasa. Bet Power Ghana Premier League. Say yehu table no said yet. After say you returning from World Cup no results ni nyina. Enso ewo ho. Mema bedwafo akaba na enkomotwetwe no entumi enhyase. Solo
Krobia.
Bia ye fine.
Oba de adom bibia boko. Bibia boko pa na Jimpion say ashase. Agopa mahoro no so e huru bat. Attendance no na nye. Oh. Ti no ma na ro no.
Yes, we dey no na to asumpa because attendance no dey.
And dey kra.
Ni problem o.
Enye kra.
Class yi be den.
Enye kra ndra kotoko ni bekum Chelsea pa
aman we yebebre
na wo ni pa
yebebre obia hu ye busua no
oh nyame adom obia hu ye
great okay
na mizanze wife you kwa
welcome back
wa mizanze wife
enye wasem
o mizanze wife you kwa so wife by your in bichi and to console na Okoman. That means already an hour walk.
Hey, don't be again.
Oh, Baba. Baba, go in your summer baby.
Okay, you may that. Endra. Who's that? Endra, na you senior waha. You will free you waha. And you will solo waha. na bibiso obia ebusua no ho ye obia se o oyere ni oba ho ye obia de oyere ni oba na fei ma kan sise mu me to grama o bi se ke ani se fi ha de
ona obisa no no
eye hu
o ye ogo ye
yeah mobo intimate Andra me chire baby girls and say I had de ye tena sports no say dey amena ope me na ope inti ya no kra kire say me na ope masankure yi efi wo kra if you had de
bibia we ka say me na ope
no you
amba wa ka say if me di me edu me wo fie nya me na ope me na ope
Mr. Andra senior te ha
Jomark de ono
every year te ha
Jomark ono Jomark no
Jomark no
you don't crowd your painting baby girls no mutia ano so no
but no you be sure say age February
yeah
sisi adi mutie na mba cry available
family be a match o baby
momfa
we say February you or Valentine
okay and match match
Bibia fine
you mo akwa abanso
you so Bibia come mutuja na I won say e wa na so de ne de na mo sa you know ajo
send renew man fa
so no first go no buy me say quick now they are 2-1-0 goal scorer friend is
Emmanuel
Sapon
yes
na me say okay 1-1 wa make cash
1-1 buy ni there
2-1 and so na la zero ni 2-1 wa make cash one point on the score line you na be go
best they draw before the game. The guys actually was way wants to just Saka. And your point I'm going to some catch on us. Sad baby. I'm sorry. You are sure going so grana. Your ration in the call.
Yeah. I think the channel. Scan yes.
Okay, what about the Aquaba? Yensha Simfen Free War. Bet Power Premier League say when who table no Achim Kotoku, the only Eastern region club. Okuta region nyina 4 points. And I don't think say Cape Coast one be boa emboa kra 4 points. And Eduana 19 points, Kotoko 17, Hasselhoff 16. Na just say league table no okay, tight, very tight. As at match day 9. A free year Mizak and Ogusua 6 goals as top scorer. Ana neno Nicholas Mensah no money wo mo ke kan mu kwala a hye 3 bini na masene ade a enti no yenhwe na fewuremu 10 minutes fewuremu na san be hwe Andra honorable Korea Parliament Assembly ko peno kan asam mienu anokan o se 8 million estimated ana wo mo tumi UC $5.1 million aka 3 million wo mo de akwa to futuom enim futuo ko a eno nso edem ana efi nso no 1,000 supporters na womode ekoko PM ewo ho Saturday aebe ya Black Galaxies unum se na ye Tuesday amfa womo se Friday ene amfa wo so ochina de wo se do ntino womo nso ebu aketema ko PM Egypt ye nhwe 10 minutes
and Thursday ntia china
yes okay yes ntia ko ochina but ochina na ekura de nwa mendu womo se Saturday
okay. All right. Korea yencha community for na enormous newi na ye mama official pa. Because no mu na ye wono. I'm sure the Ghana Premier League and match is two job. I think say no more can hard to folk issues in the you know major and no. No games na two job. I'm sure say the fee Became United any Tamale City game no 0-0 and I was quite surprised say Tamale City to me call away konya draw. Especially Became ball my favorite ground and I forced to ball park and him say with the exception of had to folk in Kobina a call mutume pick points and that one can be very difficult for them to pick a point when you are playing Became away and then I wish a club like Tamale City or by a league you know on China so yeah no to me quite away with the experience I Became United for Ikra from last season baby Roma this season anka Imudu Dona share him say anka Became United be to me enya a victory over Tamale City but to me anko ba ne sama and you know Tamale City and to me eco ball a goalless draw and a surprising goalless draw Beche United abo huma 1 goal. I know I think I can share the light of a Abranta needing and so no Eddie Emmanuel Avenyomo agent anymore now we expect say Beche at least I should 1 goal on Usubenya, but Entimi and Koban is on mobile 0-0. So I was quite surprised said Tamale City so no air quadri draw or Dreams FC against Ken Fighter. Theater of Dreams. I know I Entimi go PM there. But I me follow game no. And normal for Dreams FC to beat Ken Fighter in the Premier League because Yen Ken Fighter and a form a ban away matches are sending and also see for that results no anywhere onya from away into going to play Dreams FC, especially our Dreams favorite grounds the Theater of Dreams now enya there Obeka say Bobo Kwani Yannick Ken Fighter and so bit me akwa say Dreams FC as usual Abranta and so no Abranta and Benjamin and I said Boateng, yes Abranta Boateng and also no Ejenim Boateng Mensa etumi ebogo and yes Ejenim Mensa the boy and also bought in a Premier League, especially the contribution to the Dreams FC team. No, he is the only experienced player up front at the Dreams FC because Abrante Uzav Aziz, right? So the Uzav Ali Uzav, yes, in the modern bono and Konkai, and since I was certain agent Mensa Boateng no be mau goals now definitely you have to keep him no so to me so I wasn't surprised that Dreams FC can fight Delta so now Carolina United Media yes 1-1 I would say it's a fair results because Carolina heading so back share in I say I know you're the favorite grounds and Media also this season they are really doing well and you know Nanka no super balanced game and I think it's a 1-1 it's a fair result both clubs coach Media David Duncan in pressure na Ebano so in a couple of matches about na victory and going into our way now when you a particular point I think say a better plus and so the coach and the David Duncan on the side of Media Man. I think it's a 1-1 Carella and Media Man and so a fair result. Now Eastern region Kotoku Royals on our fins on Legon City. Scrubia Kotoku I have very difficult at the Kotoku Royals in the league because my favorite grounds Achamoda but with the start of the league ebeto just say enya do meet me about on league matches no Achamoda until Germany called Cape Coast and Krobia Usham number of matches 9 matches Kotoku abona 1 win penwenya I know you're in the first game against the Accra Lions or 1-0 apart from that in 8 matches I can we lose 7 I draw 1 and that draw no crown was against Isotroman Cape Coast 0-0 until I know just Kotoku Royals team na wana nkasa and one night then about for mama coach there now so no said any improvements after say coach na echo here meaning some top player I'm a top striker Abrante friend Kofi and Kofi issue the last time I many PR didn't come on Ochere say Abrante were put there when I want to almost shot very cover but I've spoken to the player personally and the player needs some more all kind of actually say we fit in manesa nyadia or join Kotoku Royals club on internet can be and I my Kotoku Royals because I'm not the only club if I can so me Eastern region team Dreams FC ball had here but the say Dreams FC Greater Accra a team but Kotoku Royals why now come to me the performance in the league and can say in the next coming league and another team from Eastern regions wait tonight then I qualify come on at least in 2 clubs from Eastern region almost about the Ghana Premier League but the company say not the only rep muno and so I be film at the about Division 1 as I know heading at my Eastern region football and I would say say I'm paying for bit I an intent man nanka achimo that stadium no and come saying day into me insist but I remember say we told Kotoku say Dreams the Upak you I was okay. We spoke to the PR at the Jeff River. Sanka the Upak you in Sanka Meji the Upak no. Now because Tomo FA Cup no more matches and we know the performance on putting up. In Sanka Mufia Chimo Dynamo is team and Kamobo Anka you get the numbers but explanation on the mind is from Oda to Cape Coast I think 2 hours drive. And so they prefer playing at Cape Coast than Deu park no. So ni nyina come in affect team because nipa in ebe faka dey fi akọ Cape Coast so akọ support Kotokura as and the numbers stadium no unya the home support even the players come but they wouldn't feel that they are playing at home because Cape Coast obi are the favorite grounds obi are to me ko ekobo ho out of forget fi akra aba ho nso ye dey to me mbo ne say na obo Achimoda no ntini nyina can be and affecting Achimoda Kotokura. So I would say same form 90 form and such Arabia is some year on the technical side and even the playing body, you know, the best penny for. So among ye nothing so and when you shake and so no embremu and farmer Achim or that cost 9 matches, probably 9 matches. Now Couture the winning just one game. I don't know
me feeling my mobile.
Yes, and which matches on mobile they are teams that they can easily beat. They Oshe Dreams FC because they can beat Dreams FC and so Troman Oshe can Faisa Oshe Samatex now Legon Cities. Come on, these are clubs Kotokuras can easily beat. But I think say playing away from home, you know, can be na affected the club. It's much champion first. And can you call walk up breaky and can tempano and come on say I'm almost facilitating. And yes, you can the pitch and no or maybe I'm coming to at least almost to my ball the second round on a day. I want your best champion for say you best second round in my make sure say stadium no or me to me complete no. Na afin so or da Kotokura so to my bomb game no na kunimide akwadia mom Bekum Chelsea Krobia Asante Koroko. Yes, na a tough game. A very, very tough game because the last time I Bekum Chelsea ever set Asante Koroko Okoman or share Koroko 2-0 Ghana Premier League. That was last season. And Kofa 1-0 rather Kofa and Sembi but and the say Koroko ni Bekum Chelsea share bia Okoman issues and some any other but I mean come on for ya but you see ya obi any boy ni was because Asante Koroko were losing to Bekum Chelsea and you know you say share almost ya na more than papa but then now Koroko superiority Bekum Chelsea yes they are the biggest and as one of the biggest club in a country about Ghana Premier League and so omunimbo it's very difficult Bekum Chelsea by 2 goals to 1 after say Ometumako down by a goal to 0 and when you are playing this Bekum Chelsea side now first half lose and as in a game lose 1-0 now about it tells you something so also but coach Adema Bekum Chelsea are they ending right I think say the tactics or having a right or having a right in the first half but in the second half or having wrong who see any match pre-match post-match discussion and I interview no the buyer now. Ochirima on we do we no ohun near any players no. So especially Manchester and Mizak a free on who ne how be sa team no. So I think say the coach needs to sit up with the technical team among young say because they started really well with the start of the Premier League, you know, and their first 4 matches not at the top. Yeah. And Niama Ban
one movie called Golden City Park no Anna.
Anna say and Golden City Park is their favorite grounds also.
I think say one of the first 2 games on ball probably before the say a breaking no crowd
yes, so I think say I know draw Safomo and Inko Josa Joamo Kenya Omo they need to sit up because you can't play the Premier League in your favorite grounds because Golden City Park Bekum Chelsea for favorite grounds. So I think say they need to sit up and make things right. Nani Amanso and confirm and but I would say in the match week 9 we had an exciting moment. Legon City session 3-0 near then that Kofi Koji registered the first goal in the Premier League and I think say have an exciting match day Enra and then Benada. But I'm sure him say weekend matches for
weekend we know
FA Cup matches and you know I mean we had an exciting match week 9.
Aka Simano Duba kon 11 minutes na yedi jumedie no so no etumi abane wie solo
Krobia that's my minchia na minchia tiefo na yahwefo na minfenchi akese so ma na foso himia o aseso akuapem asese so nyame adma 26 of December okoye donation e da mamofra Esma Street donation and then an for Hima Foundation into a way in Jackasy and confirmano. Eka ba league ni muntino mamifa a woninsi na miunko honorable minister Mustafa Yusuf ni okoka yewo Parliament House and Dra. Honorable say estimate near $8 million.
8.1.
8.1. Yeah. Okay. And you cost spending 5.1. Intinaka $3 million. No go to futum. Yabaji the answer because if it has no, they can catch us. Omo kwani de omu ni bibia ka kire yen till so mbekwa aba and so mbekwa be kire yen nia omo de koye ene ni omo ko use ye but baby am one issue ne say group stage is spell and you use 5.1 and no appearance fee wom per diem wom or say ticket plane ticket no and so e wom e the players no
ticket there and the supporters no instead players no there players technical men any other officials are one more everything be FIFA 55 numbers 55 and no FIFA one more eduani di bibia there.
I say your squad the mom quite able 55.
Yes, intina make us no ne other way there but sani o man there how the enka Ghana budget when you FIFA skasem.
Okay.
Plane ticket in sani o man there and no FIFA asem.
All right, enti Ohasan Yotia call now. I say for appearance fee, per diems, flight arrangement, medicals, and equipment, logistics, and hospitality. And no normally that 5.1 cover. Enti say you call anymore. Na question me bisan say sika ye de call na beso. Because group stage in the spend 5.1 and 3 million no na nke beso from round of 16 I could do a beer semi final na do ya that so the ebe how could do ana and no question na me bisa
say uko wenim nyina no e wor udu qualify from the group
so the FIFA sika no odema
yes
and yet we enka FIFA de no ho
debi we enka FIFA de no ho
otie na I say before preparation FIFA man 1.5. And I don't know if FIFA sikana I will group stage now yansa beka no ebe ya de beka ye 8 we no ho a ebe ye 9.
Unso okono wo mo mayen we you we chart no e ba high my
overview.
Yes. To even say one call final cry.
Yes.
Anti no no the some amount of money sanka you qualify from the group stages and no it doesn't come in because you already one mayen sa preview that I think say even round of 16 you know or scan your best spend BBA
so and to remaining 3 million no to say yade yade e kwada ho and I said the bed then
and say
Black Galaxies for two be mu Black Galaxies so your national team almost near the omukay
and say umbo tu kwan
o say
umbo tu kwan
yes and the first 3 million nko bo omo clubs nso na ball starting leg no leg na ngasa na e no sponsorship no kura no sika no ofam ye na esu we bet power sika ye ode ba ye ni free wa start time sika ode ma clubs no enche den ya he enti ye ma Black Galaxies bi say na ye ma mbe 2 million a omo fan kop na 1 million say ye be che dem clubs no say Black Galaxies so ye ma no 1 million ye di 2 million na clubs no say ye no 1515 a ye nche ma omo
clubs ne de I think say na me hwehwe say un say Keto Kreku e buy no or the tuga say Black Sky ombenya o World Cup mu no o ma o chise no in percentages Division 1 dey wo Premier League dey wo na eno na me o de to aso
enti yem hwe Black Galaxies almost tournament no mo kobo no and your mining national team or mining team ni ye de ma Black Stars no e wo say bia ni ye de ma Black Stars endra make wa ye said that etwa e bo to ho say ye de sika we e ko support Black Stars both AFCON and World Cup Amponsah ye de sika support ye.
Okay, so my fa ahomano into Ghana man for so into me enfre embra. So far obey to me afre now so wait to me about beche wadwin 0551667755 0551667755 0205818748 also frebra na beche wadwin akasima no nsia pepe na asoro so ntifre now so beche wadwin enso ekakra na mamefa akunya we so na mefa special World Cup benefit fund yenhwe dia enenu opani no I think say yenhwe the anytime I do so well inti ye be ye ho adwuma unya okay Premier League clubs no Premier 60% to clubs in the Premier League and Division 1 leagues. No, and I will be like 30% of Sky be free World Cup numaban. 30% nimun, emu 60%. So that's and say no flat money da ho ha anti enumu 60% no Division 1 any Premier League. Na 10% ebe gakade. Obema gaka so Sky ni be 10% mo no so nya. Ana 10% nso be kwa ma PFAG. Womusu benya womu share because womu na players no yes. Ana 5% ebe kwa ma Coaches Association. Womusu benya 5% de ato womu fund money ade. Ana 5% so be kwa ma Referees Associations. Womu so ebenye bi. Ana women's football so 5%. Ana juvenile coast football and also 5%.
Arsenal. Nyame kan say 3 million aka no. Minister mane fem koto. E mane fem koto. Me de minya ya. Yefa bi
on say before the start of the World Cup, Minister called Parliament, that's called address Parliament, and Ochim was also estimated expenditure was about almost 8.2 million.
Yeah.
And but to just say or say $15 million received by GFA to augment preparation of the Black Stars after their qualification. So it means that almost all my FNA receive $15 million. Someone find out, wow, aside the 8.8 million as I'm know.
Yeah. And the 8 million here, the Ghana government no the support
it. But the another 15 million. 50 million I'm going to be preparation.
Yes, okay. I don't know when any year before the tournament proper. Where what transpired? So the money spent in the tournament.
So money spent in the $50 million so somewhere FNA receive, FNA here.
Oh, say yeah, well, unim say any actually say accounting and kasana woman share down here. We know there Okoman brief about say tournament na year con yen estimated budget. Yenim say bet say na
8
na public no yes na public no e pressure say on
budget nemra
and oche say adi woman ko do hoye woman hu ska on spending into obesi den dia betugwa na de betugwa na woman ko wie na e ko bro so ya Ghana for beka se nwatwa atro into estimated ye betumi yusu close to
estimated
8.1.
Estimated Matthias here because I say estimated expenditure 8.1 estimated cost of group stages appearance and I'm call many money they will be adding but I'm just say I have no stating say I say $50 million received by the Ghana Football Association to augment preparation.
Yes. How much is scanning the down?
Scan external matters
for preparation wise.
Yes, and only external matters.
Yes,
so when did you come just a brief?
Because
I say even 1,000 supporters in Ekwen, it was say even you will be say per diem or one more
players and also per diem.
Yes,
non-officials per diem. Officials per diem.
So this guy you use to yellow
into when you complete and you complete.
I say 8 million. I say how much you per diem? $150.
Hello. Okay, and also, hello. Okay, and to bet to me after about 0551 667755 0551 667755. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Would you need baby akasa free?
But I from time with every blue, but I'm saying it my pamuye and the man jama and of mine.
But you mean you.
But I say, opening me and not the cancelling a can could deploy our I summon and then Queen's back on Wakano. The day here. And come over a home not do, yet that bomb, Amma, on which night, Enya, and branches. I'm going to say, or say, penny say, a Quanawa. Fight the battle because you get a bundle fee. Or that and I get some the way they are in Janga Omana. On my home, now I'm an idiom. I don't mind some of that over. Even family boy.
And so, yeah, that was it. And draw kind pa, kind, of Freya now, Becca Kutukuroya, Seman, and no man con kind and farmer. Yeah.
And Crobia, Minister, no, Ombrebium, on my content, the Mumbe down my taxpayers' money. And I'm going to spend it.
You say, $2 million from MTN. A bit free, well, a bit free, a bit free,
a bit free government.
Brother,
and to match them with you.
The group stages. No. And you know, show.
Accountability in your Juma.
Already before us, that statement or making dates in the crowd. Evan Kaino or making that statement away 4th of November.
Okay.
4th of November. Someone received $15 million as on preparation.
Okay. Even as at now, you name total amount of corporate Ghana.
Government mom say almost some if it has any after the before the AFCON, almost 25 million. And 25 million are comprised of the AFCON and the World Cup and the World Cup qualification. Yes. And government over 10 million.
Oh, okay.
The 50 million. Ebiemu buy na yenum sem TM 2 million.
Yenum say other companies me mind. And before crop I want say ko AFCON buy, I want be to just say omo ko AFCON score munya here asere no munya $2 million.
Yes.
After say ko AFCON na ba no. Enti yenum say $2 million bi so say yenum no nyina o.
Say Tony go government 10 million no kra 12.
Mara fuyi and sherry cars fuyi.
Yes.
Yes, omo na buy.
It say sherry cars no be provide 3 cars. And who beka ya wo mko do camp kura cars no de da you num ni ade e de commode wo mtu twa pictures ba nti sa cars na nkasa no ewen because we say ye hu say cars no e ejuma e wo FA camp na ministry camp say world cup no yenya sponsorship a wo mo check cars
ebia na o kan
a wo mo check cars
so guys
no share cars
and ya kai pass some place no ka the photo shoot ni ade to mo famra
I think say your brother we are
akonta ne de we are both minister any FA president na mo na kan mo no bia mecheche
ye be here from the FA no so wo mo part because FA no solely nso nya ne private sponsorship yes
so Shelly the ministry in the
go through Ghana so sponsorship be by go through Ghana
sponsorship we matro be break we no to all right ha na brema kwan ma yede Okoman Global Sports Afternoon edition no enso be to me ede AC 22nd of December 2022 ochina
ya ko bare ya ko no unim say 24th 25th and 26th jumadi ekese coastal PC auditorium we no hillside production and afi Okoman radio akaboma yade Hillside festival of place. There's a place near just be isini ama phone nyina nya bi ahwenti no ebekoso LPC auditorium Presbyterian College of Education auditorium to per tickets ni bi ato 30 cedis 50 cedis and 100 cedis 30 cedis no single for one show 50 cedis and double for one show but 100 cedis no we be share all the 3 shows no it's no a day bia no 24th maybe 2 movies and 2 shows 25th 2 shows and 26th 2 shows this shows me and saying nyina no and I say insiano in 3 days no person shini nyina na 100 Ghana cedis ntino and also ba Okoman radio usa ebeke be 30 cedis 50 cedis and 100 cedis Okoman radio and I think na Hillside production and this ajumedi eba.
Okay enti double ne de solo no mu a me no de yaka double ne de solo no mu a yende yenya yen 30 cedis a yen ye kono enti executive producer Yenra Kofi Anson Powerful HOD Nana Kofi Okore Ajeman AK Pasoro Paradise and DJ Donzi and John McFadden womu nyina boy ma dwumedie no so no yetumi de by me gine mu de ma AK as your host Krobia Asante nyame ampa ochenada 1 p.m. to 2 yebeba na anhwe ya na de the last edit video ava yakra ho.
We sure